Greetings to all students, their parents and guardians from Sandeep Sir's Doon Defence Academy, Doon. We bring to the students a topic and introduce to them the values of ethics and morals in the military profession. By now, you must have heard and witnessed a lot of talk shows, videos which describe in short OLQs or officer-like qualities, and there are 15 of them. If you narrate, they start from effective intelligence of a person who aspires to clear the SSB and become a military officer, followed by reasoning ability, organizing ability, power of expression, social adjustments, cooperation, sense of responsibility, initiative, self-confidence, speed of decision, ability to influence the group, liveliness, determination, courage, stamina, both mental and physical. But did you ever imagine or heard that all these OLQs and much beyond these OLQs, the other qualities in a personality, are based on a basic code? And that's what is the topic of discussion today. The basic code of conduct that you follow, and how it is developed when you have unflinching conviction and uphold the core belief of taking the ownership of your own thoughts, your words, your deeds and your actions in daily life in the best interest of your nation, of your people and of your near and dear ones. You are setting the stage for developing these 15 OLQs which we keep talking about day in and day out. If you don't have the basic code in your belief system, you will fall short of developing these 15 OLQs, and that will start affecting your performance in the SSB, which will not be good for the selection. By saying so, what essentially we mean that you are setting a daily code of conduct for yourself, and in your life you make it a daily habit that your life is full of integrity, truthfulness, giving honest day's work in terms of hard work on daily basis, discipline, duty, selfless service in the society and to the country, and specific sacrifices made for a greater cause. Also to include patience, perseverance, consistency in your conduct and sense of protecting the weak by your character, by your knowledge, by your dynamism and by your effective action wherever you're sitting in a position to take effective action legally and morally and on ethical grounds. What it sums up is that the entire reputed military in the world rests on its strong character and discipline to follow the righteous path in spite of the heavy odds while they are discharging their duties. And highest priority in the character, its purity, that not only gives us the leaders in various fields like military and political leaders and business leaders, but if there is purity in character, it gives us the legends. If I take a legend or a legendary figure in the military field, General or Field Marshal Sam Manekshaw, everyone is aware, and likewise in many other technological fields, scientific fields, political field, economic field, whosoever has mastered the art of conviction in his philosophy and theory on his particular domain becomes a legendary figure. But the basic stepping stones towards a leadership potential remains the same, which we have just covered. You can keep these points in mind and also start applying on daily basis a set of routine and habits that will propel you towards the core belief being getting trained on daily basis, based on which your qualities that you keep mentioning will emerge automatically and you will be a dynamic person sitting in front of the SSB interviews. Jai Hind.
Kindly subscribe DDA YouTube channel and don't forget to press bell icon.